Do you want to make sense of price trends and improve your trading strategy? In this video, I will show you how to add a moving average in TradingView and explain the key differences between different types of moving average. Let's get started. Here on your TradingView, go to the upper side and find indicators. Click that and type for EMA or moving average exponential. Make sure that you add it to your favorite so you don't have to type it in next time. Click it, and you will see that it will be added here on your chart, and the blue line will be added as well. Another moving average that trader uses is the SMA, or simple moving average. Okay, if you notice, SMA is now added, and EMA, SMA are both in the same color. Now, we would like to tweak their color so that we would be able to identify which is which. Here, you will go to EMA, hover your mouse to settings, and click that. Go to style, and choose the color that you want. You can also adjust the thickness. And for the inputs here, if you notice, the EMA says 9 close and the SMA says 9 close as well. So you can change their closes here in length by changing the number based on your preferred close. So for example, for the EMA, I would prefer to use 21 days period. So I will write down 21 here and click OK. Okay, if you notice, there were changes with the chart and the position of the lines here. Let's also try to change and tweak the SMA. Let's go to the setting, go to style. I'm okay with blue. Maybe I want to use purple and go thickness and go to inputs. So for the SMA, the usual number that they use is 50, 100, or 200. In my case, I would like to try and use 100 just to see how it moves or how it adjusts on the chart. Let's go and click OK. SMA is used by long-term traders, but it reacts very slowly to price changes. So if you are someone who is a day trader or a swing trader, you might want to use the EMA to track price changes. Now that you know how to add and use moving averages, try experimenting with different settings to see what works best for your strategy. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more TradingView tips. See you in the next one!